Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today we're going to talk about pasta shapes. Let me tell you, there is an awesome video out there. When I want to know how to do pasta shapes, first off, I always go to YouTube and I Google different shaped pastas. My go-to video is how to make 29 homemade pasta shapes with 4 types of dough. By Appétit is the channel, and it's Luca. He's awesome. I just love how he shows, and his shapes are just so dead on. One of the questions you had asked was the dough, the 00 flour. That is just a flour, like I said in the video, that if you can find it, it's great, but you don't need it. You can use all-purpose flour and it works awesome. I'm just saying, I love the 00 flour, and at the time my husband and I found it and I use it. I love it until I run out, then I will use all-purpose flour. So, and you can even use wheat flour if you choose to make homemade wheat Just asked me, can you start right away with the pasta? Once you make your dough, let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Just set it aside, cover it up, because it will dry out if you don't cover it up. And if you can't get to it right away, make it in the plastic wrap and then put it in the fridge so that you, when you get home from work or something, you can run it through your rollers, whatever, and make the shapes that you like. I do like when I'm making my homemade pastas that I can add fresh garlic to it, fresh herbs, or whatever I want in with my pasta. I do sometimes add freeze-dried like onions or freeze-dried peppers or stuff like that, you know, that you crumble up, celery, mushrooms, so on, depending on what recipe you're using. I've done that before, and that's fun to experiment, you know. Besides that, that's all I got on the pasta shapes. Please check out that how to make 29 homemade pasta shapes with 4 types of dough by Bon Appetit's channel. I will have his link. Luca is his name. That's doing it. You'll be in awe. I can just watch it all day. I just love how he handles his pasta. He is a pro at it, obviously, because I've tried like the bow ties. They're cute, but frustrating. I have made tortellini. I do love making tortellini. I do love making ravioli. Now my husband's not a big fan of it, so I don't make it that often. Yeah, check it out. I'll put his link below, the link of Bon Appetit below, for you guys to check it out. And as always, thank you for watching. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.